In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable developer mode on Squarespace. If you're looking to expand the capabilities of your Squarespace website, enabling developer mode is a valuable skill that allows more control over your site by letting you access additional tools and features. Whether you're a seasoned developer or someone just getting started, this guide will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring that it's as easy and straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to your Squarespace site's homepage. To do this, open your preferred web browser and log into Squarespace. Make sure you are accessing the correct site, especially if you manage multiple ones. Once you're logged in and on the homepage of the site you wish to modify, the next step is to locate and click on the Settings option. This is typically found in the side panel of your Squarespace dashboard and should be easily accessible. After opening the Settings menu, look for an option titled Developer Tools. Clicking on this will lead you to the area designed for developers to tweak Squarespace sites. Understanding this area is crucial as it houses all the tools you'll need to enhance the functionality of your website. Next, click on External API Keys. This option allows you to manage the API keys that help connect your Squarespace site to other platforms. API keys are essential for integrating third-party services and automating tasks that can simplify your workflow. So, understanding how these work will broaden the possibilities for your site. Once you're in the External API Keys section, your objective is to find and select the Developer Tools option again. This will ensure that you have all necessary tools at your disposal. Following this, it's time to click on Developer API Keys. This section is similar to the External API Keys but focuses on the keys vital for developer-specific tasks. These keys grant you access to certain developer functionalities that can elevate how you engage with the back end of your site. Finally, it's time for the last step, generating a key. Go ahead and click on the Generate Key button. A prompt will appear, and this key will be vital for connecting external applications to your Squarespace site, facilitating a more customized and powerful website experience. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide on how to enable developer mode on Squarespace. By following these steps, you'll have opened the door to powerful tools that enhance the control and customization of your site. With developer mode activated, you can now integrate a variety of applications and delve deeper into personalizing your Squarespace site like never before. We hope this guide has been helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below. Happy developing!